Model, 2017 Toyota Proace Dispatch Expert Spares OR Repairs Medium 1.6D95 DIN HP 1.6 Belt Snapped Easy Belt Fix Trader Worthy Star Struck. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 111062. Engine, 1560 cc 1.6D95 HP. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: timing belt has snapped. Simple and easy repair on these 1.6 engines. Open mouth smile gearbox and clutch all good. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, air con, electric windows, 2 keys, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for picture.